Hello friends, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I want to just take a really quick break in the day just to kind of restore and connect with my breath and a little bit of sound at the same time. I think those moments in the day are really important just to reset, right? So I wanted to also introduce you to the wind wand. So I've had people ask me questions about this, like what is that sound and what is that? So when I do sessions in person, a lot of times afterwards people say, it felt like there was this wind blowing over me, like a breeze in the room. Well, there was. It's this magical instrument. So very simple. It's rubber band, wood, and this nifty little handle here. But it makes the coolest sound, and it creates this breeze that flows over you. So let's take a deep breath in and release. A deep breath in and release. A deep breath in and release. And I'm gonna play maybe, I don't know, for 30 seconds, a minute. Just close your eyes and take in the sounds of the wind wand. Enjoy. All right, my friends. Well, thank you if you joined me, and remember, we are all in this together. So travel light, have an amazing day.